An effort to find a missing kayaker in Lycoming-County continued today. Crews were back out along Loyalsock Creek in Montoursville this morning, searching for a missing kayaker. Those crews using equipment the PA Fish and Boat Commission says would help find the victim, a man in his 20s, if he was caught in debris. Officials say 3 people in 2 kayaks went into the water Saturday morning, but only an adult and a child made it out. Officials called the recovery search around 3:30 this afternoon. It's unclear when the recovery effort will continue here in Lycoming County.